Hello everyone, you are welcome in laser physics course. Today is the first lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the topic laser and its properties. Prerequisite. So before starting this lecture, I suppose the student have the basic knowledge of electromagnetic, optics, atomic and quantum physics. Here are some important topics to be covered in this lectures are laser introduction, difference between ordinary light and laser beam, some main properties of laser beam like as directionality, coherence, monochromatic, high intensity. Laser introduction. Laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. So laser is one of the most important inventions of 20th century. It is a device which emits intense, highly monochromatic, collimated beam of light. The emitted light waves are coherent in nature. In 1960, T.H. Mayman was the first scientist of the Hughes Research Laboratory, California. He is the one who experimentally displayed the laser by flashing light through a ruby crystal. What the basic idea behind the development of laser was given by the great scientist Albert Einstein in 1917. In this slide, I am going to discuss the difference between ordinary light and laser beam. Both ordinary light and laser light are electromagnetic waves. As shown in this figure, the ordinary light is a mixture of electromagnetic wave of many wavelengths. However, the laser light is monochromatic. Ordinary light is non-directional, or we can say multidirectional, and incoherent, that means not in phase. While laser light shows directional and coherent distribution, that means it is in phase. This is the main difference between ordinary light and laser light. Laser light is focused beam in which all photons move at the same wavelength and in the same direction. The laser light are spectrally pure. Ordinary light, on the other hand, is a wide spectrum of light that moves irregularly at different wavelengths. Directionality, the main property of laser. So in conventional light or ordinary light source like lamp, sodium lamp, torch light, photons will travel in random direction. Therefore, these light sources emit light in all directions. On the other hand, in laser, all photons will travel in same direction. Therefore, laser emits light only in one direction. This is called directionality of laser light, as shown in the inside figure. The width of the laser beam is extremely narrow. Hence, a laser beam can travel to long distances without spreading. For example, if an ordinary light travels a distance of 2 km, so it is spread to about 2 km in diameter. On the other hand, if laser light travels a distance of 2 km, it is spread to a diameter of less than 2 cm. This is the main difference. Coherence. The coherence describes the properties of the interrelation between physical quantities of a single wave or between several waves. The two waves are coherent when they have constant phase relationship. When they have zero or constant phase difference and same frequency. Actually, in ordinary light source, like a lamp, sodium lamp and torch, the electron transition occur naturally. In other words, electron transition in ordinary light source is random in time. The photons emitted from ordinary light source have different energies, frequencies, wavelengths, or colors. Hence, the light wave of ordinary light source have many wavelengths. Therefore, photon emitted by an ordinary light source are out of phase. However, in laser described in next slide. In case of laser, the electron transition occurs in a specific time. All the photon emitted in laser have same energy, frequency or wavelength. Hence, the light wave of laser light have single wavelength or color. Therefore, the wavelength of laser light are in phase in space and time, as shown in this figure here. If two light sources are in constant phase difference, it is called coherent sources. The next property of laser is monochromatic. The term monochromatic comes from the Greek word mono, meaning single, and chroma means color. So monochromatic light literally means the light of one color. In scientific term, the monochromatic light means a light containing a single color or wavelength. The photon emitted from ordinary light source have different energies, frequency, wavelength or color. Hence, the light wave of ordinary light source have many wavelength or colors. Therefore, ordinary light is a mixture of wave having different frequencies or wavelength. On the other hand, in laser, all emitted photons have same energy, frequency or wavelength. Hence, the light wave of laser have single wavelength or color. Therefore, laser light cover a very narrow range of frequencies or wavelength. The next property of laser is high intensity. The intensity of a wave is the energy per unit time flowing through a unit normal area. In an ordinary light source, the light is spread out uniformly in all directions. Since an ordinary light is spread in all directions, the intensity reaching the target is very less. But in case of laser, due to the high directionality, the intensity of laser beam reaching the target is very high or intense beam. For example, 1 milliwatt power of helium neon laser appear to be brighter than the sunlight. Practice questions. In this slide, here are given some practice questions. For example, question number 1. Explain what do you understand the term laser. Question 2. Differentiate between laser beam and ordinary light beam. Question 3. Describe the characteristics of laser property of directionality. Question 4. Explain the characteristic of laser property of intensity. Discuss the monochromaticity property of laser. Question 6. Explain the term coherence in laser property. This slide includes some important references. Thank you.